The largest manufacturer and exporter of pharmaceutical blenders, industrial food mixers, batch dryers or roasting machinery.
India's first automatic FRK mixing plant, Prime Series GMP. India's first modern mixing system uses the latest mechatronics technology to ensure uniform mixing of FRK rice with regular rice at a ratio of 100:1. Year 2020. Our machine analysis and inspection by WFP team for 100:1 mixing accuracy. Year 2021. We improved our machine based on suggestions from the WFP team, including 1. A better operational system. 2. Level of mixing accuracy 100:1. 3. Food safety regulations. The 21 plus quality features of machine is per suggested by WFP, FSSAI Declaration and Department of Food and Public Distribution. Machine trial and testing at X Workshop for giving you defect-free machine. Validation mode. Auto mode function with mixing data print. Automatic weighing system. Continuous mixing process for perfect homogeneous. Collecting mixing samples for analysis of 100:1 mixing accuracy. Now we take 100 gram of mixed rice sample and then we separate the normal rice and FRK rice. After separating the normal rice and FRK rice, we find out our machine mixing accuracy. Data logger. Analysis of 100:1 ratio. A method for accurately and uniformly blending fortified rice kernels into rice. Microanalysis. In FCI's 10 to 20 gram sample, our machine also provides perfect homogeneous. Machine installation at rice mill. Your normal rice passed into mixing unit trough validation port. Now the FRK rice will be passed into mixing unit trough automatic weighing system as per given parameters. Service and technical guideline. 100%. Client satisfaction approach. Customer service. Good quality. Free installation in 3 visits and online support. We give 85% more updated feature in our machine as compared to other rice blending machines. We successfully installed 100 plus FRK mixing plant across in India. Quantitative progress. We research about market and developed for smart and defect-free FRK mixing plant, and we got undefended success. Prime Series GMP. We developed Prime model of FRK mixing plant for rice millers who actually need fully automatic machine with a 100% mixing accurate results. Our Prime model, MOC, is food-grade stainless steel, SS304. As per good manufacturing process, GMP. We have 3 different capacity. Manufacturing unit. Plant layout. The health aspect of food and nutrition, making India healthy and stronger by fortification of rice, FRK. Message from the director.
My vision to make a best machinery with high technology for easy machine solutions, accuracy in production and high performance. Our quality is our attitude.
Thank you for watching.